the federal government, through executive agencies, are plotting to make sure elections do not take place the same day in Akwa Ibom State and Rivers State, so that they will shift the election, so that they will have their full security apparatus in Rivers State and Akwa Ibom to be able to manipulate the electoral process. And so, when we shout this, when we say this out, don't take it lightly. It's a serious issue. We want our people to determine who will govern them. We want our people to determine who will preside over their affairs. And we are not seeking for more than that.